The world and its pleasures did tempt me to stray. I saw not the danger that lurked on the way. The toils closed around me, I knew no release, but Jesus has found me and given me his peace. Get right with God, his pardon is free. Get right with God, he's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling, oh come unto me. Take him, O sinner, and get right with God.
Hello. Just thought I'd give us a little update on the gardening journey. So I went ahead and bought myself a seedling starter like this. Of course, I had put the seeds, the organic seeds, and this is where it got to 2 weeks in. I had also mixed some fertilizer, sheep fertilizer that is, with black soil. And now I'm going to transplant some of these seedlings onto the larger pots. Now, I used paper straws to kind of label them. So starting from the bottom left, going towards the right, I have the bell peppers, the lettuce, beets, Brussels sprouts, eggplant, and broccoli on the far end, near my son, of course. And now I'm just, with delicate, tender, loving care, transferring these little crops onto the larger pots. You've got to be very delicate when we're transferring. I made a hole there so that I could use that space to transplant. Alrighty, so I'm down to my last part here, of which I've observed which needed to be transplanted. It's interesting, because object lessons, I planted all the seeds at the same time, but they all grow at different speeds, and they were all exposed to the same light. Shortly, you will see where I grow these little seedlings. So I'm just gonna lay that there. My son cleaning up. All right, so I used the grow lights in my indoor greenhouse, and there you have it. See how this goes? I prayed over it, so we'll go by faith and see what happens. I'll keep you posted on that. So stay tuned. Alright, so this is a little gardening planner I put together. It is available on Amazon, and I use this to journal my gardening journey. So this is where I put the date. I did start the date on 30th of March of this year, and so just writing down right now when I also keep track when I watered, when I add the fertilizer or compost, and when I transplant. Alrighty, this gardening planner definitely comes in handy. Available on Amazon. Get your copy, it's worth it.
Get right. right with God. His pardon is free. Get right with God. He's waiting for thee. Our Jesus is calling. Oh, come unto me. Take him, O sinner.